The ODP Corporation is made up of Office Depot, our retail arm, ODP Business Solutions, the B2B company, which also has a number of other federation companies, as we call them, under them, and VEA. VEA provides supply chain services to our brands, but also 3PL services to other companies. And those include other major retailers and even social media companies. The complexity of our business, the multiple channels, making sure we had the right inventory in the right place at the right time was extremely hard. It's a hard problem. We had utilized mainframe solutions. We'd handwritten, hand-coded mainframe solutions. There was too much manual intervention required. It's extremely expensive to run. It wasn't accurate. We moved to a package solution. That helped, but we still didn't get the accuracy that we needed. When we acquired Office Max, we saw that they were using the Blue Yonder platform. It was running far better than our legacy platforms. It was way more accurate. And so we decided to implement that across the chain. Demand planning we're using on a daily basis across all our locations. We also use floor planning, space management across our retail chain for managing planograms and product placement. And these systems are working in real time with our inventory management systems and all of our e-commerce systems as well. We've had some great benefits with the Blue Yonder platform. Retail forecasting accuracy has improved by 16%. We've seen a reduction in inventory levels across our supply chain of 30 million. And also in B2B, 5% improvement in forecasting accuracy there as well. The ODP Corporation were early adopters of Snowflake. Snowflake have been a great partner. They've got a great solution for managing and analyzing data. It's fantastic that Blue Yonder are using Snowflake as the foundation data layer on their products. And ODP Corporation are definitely going to be using that. We're now embarking on agents. So effectively every person will have a personal agent that will be able to work in the background. And of course ultimately we'll move to a world where you'll have one person and multiple agents. Yeah? If we can use AI to help us just improve productivity a small amount or increase efficiency a little bit, it extrapolates really quickly. But I think it's definitely a game changer.